Bula, Bula, Bula.
Bula Vinak.
Bula Vinak, eh? This is Royal Lion. Is from Raro, Bueni Raro. So this lion is not from Africa, but from Raro. Well, he's been telling me that he loves the Bula spirit. Okay, Bula. What I've asked him if he can elaborate on that, just to explain what he means by he loves, he likes the Bula spirit. Please, Lion.
Well, the Bula spirit to me is a great way to open up and spread good energy with people.
Huh?
I've had a few incidences where a few of my kind Polynesian people, we're usually have that aggressiveness towards our face, and we're quite closed when meeting new people.
So it doesn't just come naturally for you guys to just go up and say hi, hello, how are you? No, just let the Fijians say Bula Bula to everyone.
Yeah.
You can even say Bula to the tree.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I think the reason why is because a lot of us have been taught that people are out to, get us.
Okay.
So we have to stand firm and protect ourselves. So we always close off rather than be open.
Be the man.
But from what I've learned from the Bula spirit is that anytime I see anyone in general, but Pacific Islanders, I give them a smile. Rather than looking scary.
Bula smile.
Exactly, the Bula smile.
I think now we have to give some credit. We gotta say Raro smile. Oh, excellent.
Started from the Bula spirit first.
Thank you very much for that. Okay. So
really works.
So now you've made it sort of like as a part of your personality now, eh? And it's not easy to take the initiative to say hello, to say Bula, say good day or hi, whoever you meet, and you say that with a smile, of course. Eh? Now,